In this simple video tutorial, I'm going to share with you how you can fix this account is not allowed to use WhatsApp. If WhatsApp send you such a message, put in mind that your WhatsApp account has been banned. If it's a temporary ban, watch this video until the very end to fix this issue out. And if it's a permanent ban, there is nothing you can do about this. To check your account status, just tap right here on Check Review Status. Most of the cases WhatsApp gives 1 to 2 weeks ban for users who violate its terms of service. To avoid waiting for the 2 weeks ban, you will have to use the right WhatsApp. It can either be WhatsApp Messenger or WhatsApp Business. The reason as to why you got banned is because you are using WhatsApp GB or any other WhatsApp cloud versions. Using other cloud versions of WhatsApp is violating WhatsApp terms of service. Just simply download WhatsApp Messenger or WhatsApp Business. Register and make sure to never use other WhatsApp clones, otherwise your phone number will never be accepted to have a WhatsApp account. That's how simple it is to fix a WhatsApp ban. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comments section down below. Please don't forget to leave a like, share and subscribe for more video tutorials like this one.